the set is diameter 12, which correspond with this one, thereby your item 5. You understand? So I can simply project these ones up, because from here till there is 12 millimeter. There you go. There you go. So I come back and have this one dark from here till here. From here till there, which one is this one? Is already this one. From there till there. You understand? Thereby our item 3. So I can now consider the height there. So from here till there is already this one. From here till there. So the 10 millimeter they spoke about in the question is actually this one. From there till there. You understand? So from here going up is 10 millimeter, is 30. 30, not 10 millimeter, but it's 30 millimeter. So there is my 30. From here, this is 30. I need, so I mark where my 30 ends. So after I've gotten that, I can then, this is my 30. Without fail or favor, have it dark from here till right there. Remember, which one was that? Which one was that? It was that diameter 30. Why? That diameter from here till the diameter 30. It was that one. So remember, which is this one, diameter 30. So this 30 correspond with what? With this one. It correspond with this one. From there till there, diameter 30, diameter 30. So the moment I am drawing this one dark from here till there, it's good as if I am drawing what? This other one. From there till there. You understand? But then here I have to consider the what? The sectional drawing. So this one is going to be dark. This one is going to be dark. Only erase the inner part here. Why am I saying that? Because of if we cut here, there you go. You understand? So this one from there till there it will disappear. This one from there till there it will disappear. So I analyze what is you are drawing, so that those lines that are going to disappear, you don't even draw them, so that you don't find yourself drawing after you're done drawing, then you erase everything. You understand? So this one from there till there it will disappear. From there till there it will disappear. This one it will become dark. So your hatches, they will be all over here, all over here, all over there, and comes even down here. All together. So that is why I am erasing this one. What is I'm drawing? Which is which one? Which is this one from there till there. All together. So this one is dark. Then again this one is dark. Actually it will start right from here. And this one is part of what? Of item 1. So if I draw it dark from here, do you see? From this point, if you were with us in the beginning of the video, you remember which point was this one from there till there. If you're not with us, don't worry, you can still catch us or there by our YouTube eTutors Digital School. eTutors Digital School. This is the YouTube channel eTutors Digital School. So the moment I'm drawing this one, it's good as if I'm now coming back to my item 1, projecting this one dark. You understand? This one there it goes. You understand? So now I can have this one without fail or favor, again dark from here till there, from here till there. For now I'll just end here because I don't know what is going to happen, which is the okay, it will continue up until at this point, which is what I have with this point. Thereby our item 1 is this one. So without fail or favor, I can project it dark till here, my brother, till right there. Which one is this one? Is this one, thereby item 1. So I can have this one dark as well, just a little bit going up, going up. So I'll stop it here. Why? Because of you see that they said you record 10 millimeter. Because we've recorded the 30, which is this one from there till the 30. After the 30, there is a dimension of what? Of 10 millimeter. They even gave this dimension twice. You understand? This 10 is the same as this one, 10 millimeter. So get it. So that is why I'm saying this one, I'll draw it just a little bit because I haven't tolerated that 10 millimeter. So the 10 millimeter from here to right there is my 10 millimeter. After I've gotten the 10, I can go like this. Then from there, I can then have this one dark up until at that line of 10 millimeter. Are we together? So why am I stopping here? They told you to stop there. We said from here till there is going to be it's going to disappear. You understand? It's going to disappear. So they said they told you that from the vertical component, open angle 60 degrees. Open angle 60 degrees. So from the vertical component. So if I'm using the horizontal component, which means I must use what? Angle 30. It will be still on the same thing. Angle 30. Where my 10 ends. There is my 10 ending. So I just draw a faint constructional line at an angle of, and it's cute, let me draw it nicely and be accurate, not just solving the question. The degree of accuracy is also important. So there you go. So this is angle on a horizontal component, you have to use angle 30 so to get angle 60. You understand? On the vertical component, which means you have it should be the 60 that they are talking about, you see. So it's still running the same thing. You see. So it's still running the same thing. Okay. So we've gotten this line that is at an angle of 45 degrees. So now what we are going to do, we are told from here till there is what is 50 millimeter. 50 millimeter. So is to get that one, we are going to just project this one just a little bit. There you go. And from there, I may come and record the 50 they are talking about, which is this one. From the center, which is this one. From the center, this is 50, isn't it? So I just mark it 0. So there is the point that I am talking, they are talking about. At that point of 50, there is what? There is a center, vertical center line. Vertical center line. There is a vertical center line. This is a bad drawing table. I don't want to say. I tell you, this is a bad drawing table, my guy. Right, so after that, we've gotten which one? We've gotten this one now. This one, isn't it? Okay, so what are we gonna do now? After the 10 millimeter, which is this one, there is a dimension of what? Of 70 millimeter. We remember from here till there's a 10. After the 10, record 70 millimeter. 70 millimeter. 70 millimeter. Actually, we are given everything, guys. Here, we have to just take this dimension into your drawing. Drawing sheet. There is my 70 millimeter. And so it's right there, 70 millimeter. It's right there. And then right here. So where my 70 millimeter ends, I can put this horizontal faint line. That's where my 70 millimeter ends, isn't it? Then that's the true height of what? Complete height of my item 3. You understand? So which means I can project this line up until right here, up until right there. So this one not yet for now, this one not yet for now, and this inner one, I can now get them dark. Remember, it's what we did. We already done them, which whereby we translated this 20, and it's ending where at this 10. At this 10, you understand? So I can have it dark like this from there till there, and from here till there. So these are they were hidden. These were the hidden detail. So now they become dark. Of item what? Item 3. This one, it will become dark. It will become dark because we cut to expose the inside view, isn't it? We cut to expose the inside view, and the hidden details, they'll become solid, or they'll become dark lines. All right. So then, now what is going to happen now? So we were going to close. You understand? We're going to close like the way as you can see it. But then remember that item 4, it has to be aligned there. Item 4 is going to enter because the inside diameter, I mean this one from here till there is diameter 20 all together, and it's of a thickness, is of the height, because this is the front, this is the front, this is the top, is of the height of 10 millimeter, and that 10 millimeter correspond with what? With this 10 millimeter. You understand? 4 into 3. So it's good as if you are taking this one and put it here. So the diameter is diameter 20, which is this one from there till there. You understand? So now that is why this one, we are not going to draw it dark for now. For now. Okay. So let me see what from here how much. From here till there is 10 millimeter. Because they said where your 70 ends, go back with 10 millimeter. My 70, so my 10 millimeter is just a little bit down. You understand? Oh. My drawing table is too small for me, and it's a bad drawing table. It's not according to a square. Okay, so where my 10 millimeter is ending right here, so I draw a faint line. You understand? Then after that, I'm going to get this line. So it's a straight line from here till there, which means supposed to start from here till right there, because it's ending at the center, isn't it? So I'm going to have a straight line from here till right here. You understand? Then from there, this one I'm going to see it clearly. This one I'm going to see it clearly. And this piece of my item 1, it should be seen clearly here as well. Because item 1 is it was actually starting here from there till there. You understand? So this smaller piece of item 1, it will be seen clearly. This table is not according to a square. So that was going to see it clearly, as well as this one. So as that one. You understand? We are going to see it clearly. So now I can go up till right there. You see this part, this one is part of item 1. So you must know it's still part of item 1. So what I'm drawing is item 3 into item 1, inside item 1. Okay, so now what is going to happen now? Let me see. Let's get this shape. This one. And from here till there, let me see. They said it's radius 10. It's the radius 10 millimeter. Radius 10 millimeter. Okay, we are given the 15 millimeter first. So from here till there is 50, which is this one. From here till there is 50, and then where your 50 end begins, what? 15 millimeter. So from there till the 15 millimeter, we are actually given everything here, guys. So there is my 15 millimeter. So I mark here. After I've gotten that mark, I construct a vertical faint line. You understand? So now from here, I must get a radius 10 millimeter. Radius 10 millimeter. Can simply open it to 10 millimeter, which is this one. This is 10. Then I come and place it here, and I mark here, and I mark here. I want to get radius 10. At the end of the day, I must get radius 10 millimeter. Then from there, can have faint line, can end here, and faint line vertical. Where these two faint lines, they are perpendicular to each other. That's where I'm going to place my drawing compass and open it to this point, and I draw. A radius 10. So the radius 10 millimeter that they are talking about, this one, you have already gotten it. You understand? So even this other side, radius 10. So do I have my stencil ruler? Do I have my stencil ruler? I do not have. So I can simply extend this one. Faint. So from this point to this one is what? It's 10 millimeter on it. So from this point going up, I can record 10 millimeter again, which is this one. You can see, assuming I am with my stencil ruler, this was going to be very simple. Let me see, from here till there, it's 10, it's 10. So if I place my from here till right there, so which means I must come just a little bit down, go up, faint. So there you go. So from there, almost got out of order. So now I can have it like yes, something of this nature. So we are having a hole. That hole is so diameter, what? Diameter 14. What is it going to be fitted there? Okay, and it's of the thickness of what? Of 4 millimeter. So there is nothing that's going to be fitted there that is of a thickness of 4 millimeter, and at the same time of the diameter, outside diameter of 14. You understand? So okay, so they told us what from here till there is 15, which is this one, from there till there. So along this one, I have to get another 15 millimeter. 15 millimeter. So I can come back here and close it dark like this, and 15 millimeter. There is my 15 millimeter. Understand? Yes. So now I can draw this diameter, this hole, this diameter 14, diameter 14 way, right there. You place your drawing compass here, you open it to the half of 14. So 14 divided by 2, you are getting 714 divided by 2 is 7 millimeter, isn't it? So you take a drawing compass, open it to 7 millimeter. If you have a stencil ruler, it's going to be fast and quick for you to understand. So you open it to 7 millimeter. You understand? So there, this is 6, this is 7. This is 7 millimeter. So I come and place it here. and I draw that dark. Dark, like this. So this one is that one. So by look of things, we are done with what? With item 3 into item 1. So I can go back and further extend this line of item 1 now. So there it goes. It will stop here. From here till there, now there it comes just a little bit up there. You understand? So which means item 1 is done up until I come and draw it dark here as well. Item 1 is now completely done. We have item 1, we have item 2, we have item 7, we have item 5. Now we do not have item. We have item 1, we have item 2, we have item 3, we have item 4, not yet. Item 5 already there. Item 6 is already there. Guys, we're done. Item 6 is already there, which is that one. Item 7 is already there. Let me repeat it. Item 1 is this one. Item 2 is that one. Item 3 is this one. Item 4, not yet. Item 5 is that one. Item 6 is that one. Item 7 is that one. So now let's put item 5. We are going to draw item 5. So item 5 is going to be, what is the name of item 4? Not 5, sorry, not 5, but 4. Item 5 is the cutter die. It's the one that is going to be cutting. Remember, this is the puncher. So this thing is going to have an up, down, up, down, up, down type of movement. You understand? The reciprocating. You understand? Remember, it's a puncher set. If you know a stationary puncher, how does it works? You understand? So that is why they said to leave the allowance of what? Of 10 millimeter. So item 5 is the cutter die. So item 4 is the cap. It's the cap. So you must know what is the function of the cap. If you've done your trade N2, fitting and machining N2. Okay, so now let's fit item 4, which is the last one. So item 4, the outside diameter is going to be diameter 20, which corresponds with this one there by item 3. 4 has to be fitted into item 3. You understand? So it's already there. The height of it from there till there is what? Is this one, because it will be actually flattening right there. So flattening right there. So it's actually of the height of 10 millimeter. So I will just simply record the 10 millimeter is that one. So from there till there is 10 millimeter, of which is what we already have it, my brother. So you can simply have it a dark line that's going to be something of this nature. From here till there. The moment I'm drawing this line, I am now considering my item 4 fitted there already. You understand? So I come back and take a closer look of what? Of this dimension. From here till there is how much? The set is diameter 30. From here till there is diameter 30. So which means I'm going to say 15 this side and 15 this side. And that diameter 30 correspond, my brother, with what? With that one. Let me repeat this. Look nicely. From here till there, the set is diameter 30. This is the front view of item 4. This is the top view of item 4. Hence the question say a full sectional front, isn't it? We are taking the front views only. We are taking the front view. Okay, from there till there is diameter 30, which correspond with what? With this one. From there till there is diameter 30. You understand? So there is no need for us to what? To redraw them, because from there till there is what? Is the 30 millimeter. What we can do now is the thickness, that thickness of what? Of 3 millimeter. 3 millimeter. So I come. So 1, 2, 3. There is our 3mm ending. So where our 3mm ending, I can simply put now the horizontal faint line. After I've gotten that, I can now have this one dark going up, my brother, without fear or favor. Get this one and get that one. You understand? So we are told, let's go back. How about this arc? We are told, please use radius what? Radius 25. Use radius 25. So how? By taking a drawing compass, open it to 25, and you're placing it along your vertical center line. There you go. This is my 25 on it. Then from there, I come and place it along this vertical center line. This vertical center line. Yes. So place it. Now what I know, what I have to start from here to right there. So before you place it along the vertical center line, you open it to angle the radius 25, isn't it? So now I draw dark from here to right there. There you go. So it will be dark like this. So now we fitted all the items. So now we are going to draw. We are going to what? Section. So we are sectioning now. Because after you assemble, you have to section. You have to section. Let me section now. So I'm going to start sectioning using my 45 degrees. All the hashes, they must be at an angle of 45 degrees and equally spaced to each other. You understand? So I'll decide to start with item 1. This is part and parcel of item 1. So this shape, this gap, you understand, is which one? It's this one, there by your item 1. You understand? So the moment I'm hatching here, it's good as if I'm hatching on right there. You understand? So let's go. There you 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 go. So they supposed to be equally spaced to each other. There you go. We do not even, beside that, this supporter was before the cutting plane. You understand? So do I have to section here? No, I do not have to section here. Take a closer look of your top view of item 1. You understand? So this one is a little bit below. This one is coming up. This one is coming up. Who's telling you that? It's your front view. Are we together? And check it nicely. What is happening here? It's a gap. You understand? It's only this one that will change to dark. So your hatches, you're going to section here, section there, only. Even though the question was like a full sectional front view. You understand? So now let's section item 2. Section item 2. Item 2 is this one. So my hatches of the item 1 they were at an angle of 30 degrees. 45 degrees at an anti-clockwise direction. So these ones, they must be in a clockwise direction. There you go. 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 Remember that this one is what? It's a different item. Before I even forget, remember this is item 1, isn't it? After sectioning item 1, I have to do this. This is I have to do this. Very much important before I even forget about it. This is item 1. You understand? Then I go with item 2, and item 2 is not yet done completely with them. You understand? So the 30mm is which one? They said from here, 31 actually, from here till there, 31mm, which is this one. 31, 30, 31mm is this one. So there's my 31mm. So this 31mm, it will be something of this nature. There you go. There you go. Then let me see the 31. Okay, is that one? So the 28mm, the 28mm from here till there. 28mm. 28mm is the, so right here. So the 28mm should be this one. So I can have it dark here and dark right here. I want so that this one comes here, this one comes here. Which one is that one? Is these ones. There you go, there you go. You understand? Then dark. So from here to there is the height of the inside thread, the depth. You understand? So what is from here to there is the height of item 7, which is the board. So now angle 60 degrees anti-clockwise, angle 60 degrees in a clockwise direction. There you go. Which is this one. So these kind of things you can always end with them. You understand? So now let's continue. Where are we? Yeah, it's a hatch. It's a gap you do not section there. So decide to go. There you go. In a clockwise direction, isn't it? There you go. There you go. Like this you can 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 go. I used to hear people saying type the screen, type the screen, type the screen. They typing. Why are they saying type the screen? Demo is saying me, I'm saying next year I'm choosing mechanical. Yes, my dear, go for it, guys. For TikTokers, please don't feel offended if I'm not going through your comment. It is because I'm actually concentrating on the paper other than on the screen. Karen is saying, is it compulsory for us to show the number of items? Yes, my brother, it is actually compulsory. It is very necessary. You see, that is why you section your number, so that you won't get confused. You understand? So now I've just finished up with what? With item 1. Actually, if you want to see, item 2, this is item 2. So the memorandum in your question paper, that you are busy with inside of the exam, the memorandum of assembled drawing is detailed drawing. You understand? So the vice versa of what you are doing is actually here, which is question what? Question 4. Question 4, which is detailed drawing. You see that they've already numbered them for you. You understand? So even in the assembly is supposed to be like this. You see, guys, let me explain it like this. I can be able to interpret the question of this as a detailed drawing, even though it's detailed drawing according to assemble. So the question here was like draw an assembled drawing with the right hand with the left hand in sectioning. So this was the assembled drawing with the left hand in sectioning. Why? Because of they've assembled it for you. After it was assembled, they've cut it for you with the left hand in sectioning. You understand? So what separates the right from left? It is the vertical center line. So in this one that we are doing, it's actually what, a full sectional front. You understand? It's not a half sectional, or you understand? So what you are doing here, it must be in this format. So it is very much necessary for you to number your items. Remember, you are answering a question to somebody inside the marking center, or to somebody that is not here. So that person must, the moment it takes your work, must see a light what is going on here. You understand? So this is item 2. So this is going to be my item 2. So the moment I see these 1, 2, 3, blah blah blah, I will have to expect even the hatches, which these are 2 different parts. You see, the hatches, they are different in terms of their direction and in terms of their space. You understand? So where is your item 3? Which is this one. Okay. Item 3, we said from here till there to disappear, from there to there disappear. Then this one going to change to dark and change to dark, because we cut to expose the inside view. Are we together? So where's my what 45 is right here. Okay, this one they were anti-clockwise, item 1, so item 2 clockwise, so item 3 they must be anti-clockwise. So there you go. There you go. There you go. See, it's coming there already. There you go, and this you go. There you go. Yes, you come late. You come late. I don't have the time.
What happened?
Okay, go and fetch your drawing. Yes, faster. Not yet. We just finished drawing, sectioning the item 3. Item 3. How can I dimension it? I can put it right here. Item 3. This is item 3. This is item 3. 1, 2, 3. So now, where is item 4? Item 4, which is this one. So when I'm sectioning item 4, this was anti-clockwise. This is going to be clockwise. Item 4. There you go. Item 4, there you go. 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 Can have it there. Can have it right there. So now symbolize it with the dot. This is going to be my item 4. Item 4. Right. Then where's item 5? Item 5, it should be this one. Hi, I'm actually live. Yes. Okay, that was one of my colleagues. Okay, this is item 5. So these ones, they were in a clockwise direction, so I can have this one anti-clockwise, even if they can be, as long as it's a little bit smaller than what is right next to, you understand? So it's actually right next to item 2, you understand? Remember, isn't it at the end you're still going to what? To label. So this is item 5, label item 5. There you go. I think in this topic or chapter, you must forget about neatness. The marks for neatness are because it's highly impossible to obtain those marks. It's actually paying 30 marks, but you can get about 28, 27, you understand? So this is item 5. Item 5, you understand? So I section and label. Where is item 6, which is the washer? So item 6, which is the washer. So it's going to be in section only here. So the smaller the item becomes, is the smaller the hatches becomes as well. You see, like the item 6 is too small. We cannot have a huge hatches there. You understand what I'm trying to say? So there you go, which becomes what? Item 6. So there you go. So there you go. That is why I don't like shooting at school. There is too much ups and downs. So this is item 6. Item 6. Item 7, which is the shaft. We do not section the shaft. So in this case, the shaft is what? Is item 7, which is the board. There you go. Item 7. Okay. So we had item 1 till item 7, isn't it? All of them were expected to throw them down once. In terms of the quantity, and then we draw a full sectional front view, which is something of this nature. So thank you very much, guys, to tune with us. But then if you are really serious about your 30 marks, you have to print this table. You understand? Just right next to your question, you write up there, you print up there question what? Question 3, you print there question 3. You down here you print the what? This table, the way you see it. This table, the way you see it. Description, quantity, items, blah 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 blah. You understand? You print it where? You print it right here. You see me? I could print it here. You understand? So you print it here, and the title of the drawing and the scale. The title of the drawing is a puncher set. That's the title of the drawing, and the what? The scale 1:1. The first angle orthographic third angle orthographic projection. Like that, you are going to be given 30. Maybe in terms of the neatness, then they can just penalize about 2 marks. You understand? So thank you very much, guys, for watching. That was Mr. Nkosi. See you on the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. Subscribe and like the video you are watching at that time. This is our YouTube channel. For the sake of TikTokers, those whom they are still not aware about our YouTube channel, this is the YouTube channel. So whereby we specialize with mechanical engineering drawing, grade 10, 11, 12, which is engineering, graphics and design, mechanical engineering, TVET colleges and universities. So this, go and tune it there, you'll see what can be relevant to you. So thank you very much, guys, to stay with us. See you in the next video. Okay.